Hi, I'm Lauren Douglas, and this is Channel Factory After Dark, where we bring you a unique take on the marketing and advertising industry and conversations with marketing rock stars. This week, we are still reeling over KFC's latest brand move. Because of COVID, KFC couldn't use their slogan, Finger Lickin Good. So what did they do instead? Using the hashtag #UntilWeCanFingerLick again, KFC tweeted asking for suggestions on which brand slogan it could use. They stole other slogans like McDonald's' I'm Lovin' It, L'Oreal's Because You're Worth It, and Nike's Just Do It. Not only was the color eye-popping, but the cognitive dissonance of seeing a brand you know against a bucket of chicken is just memorable, which is the point, right? And if we're gonna talk about licking our fingers and dipping our chicken, Heinz created a new concept called crowdsaucing. Crowdsaucing. Sounds like I'm an old Southern man. Never heard of it? That's because Heinz made it up. They're pushing some outrageous mashups inspired by late-night cravings that Heinz crowdsourced from old posts on the internet. If anyone wants to try some Tarchup, Wasabioli, and Hanch, hot sauce plus ranch, actually sounds amazing, head to a supermarket, unfortunately in Canada for now. This week's extra credit session is a whoopsie daisy. Volkswagen did what a lot of brands did and ran an April Fool's Day prank where they changed the name of their brand to Volkswagen with a T, implying they were moving to an all-electric brand and potentially impacting their stock price. The problem is that the SEC took it seriously and is currently investigating Volkswagen, and a spokesperson confirmed that they were shocked to hear that their joke was taken too seriously. I think the SEC either needs to try to be in on the joke or just chill out. Don't brands get a one-day hall pass? That's like investigating Taco Bell after they told everyone they were buying the Liberty Bell. That's it for the news. Stay tuned for Fun with Friends.